for me, it was never even a, it was never even a hard decision about, do we make this investment? And then once we make the investment, there's no turning back. I mean, we are going to go, all in if this is something we're committed to. We're not putting 6 balloons on the shelf. We need hundreds, we need thousands, and then we need to continue to be able to expand the offering to customers all around the world. And I mean, instantly we connected with customers in Israel, Minneapolis, Orange County, Germany, within a few months, and then it just became easy for us to grow our part offerings, and eventually everybody was on board. We weren't making these huge investments in these long-term products that were going to sit on our shelves for years. We were able to address needs within the marketplace.
At the point of need.
At the point of need.
Right.
And pick some sizes that were really, really critical to customers' ability to rapidly prototype, get in their preclinical testing, and even in some cases get into their first in-man studies. So it really took off for us, and we were then able to focus on the custom development work, and focus on those customers that we're trying to take across the finish line of a regulatory approval or other things, and then just let the Chamfr team do what the Chamfr team does, and then just support it like 110%. Just continue to support it so that we had the kind of offering that would allow us to grow the brand, really get people to start to see Chamfr and Poba as a single unit.
Yeah. I mean, I have to say I was just impressed with how quickly it clicked for you. You got it, you embraced it. Was it the understanding that you were planting seeds? And when you said we were like, we need thousands, we need to go big, was it because you immediately knew like the end game for you and what you wanted to focus on was the long-term value of the customer? Or was it just understanding the pain point from a prior life that you knew that they would need these and buy them and come back to? Or what was it about it?
When people started to push back on, what are you thinking, what are you doing, it just kind of gives you some more fuel to say, we're gonna prove that this is the right way to go. And I also struggled with early stage prototypes. I mean, Simple Surgical couldn't find anybody to do 10 balloons when we were trying to get into an animal study. So we didn't have $1 million order that we could hand over to any of the big boys. So that light went off as well. It's like, well, if my needs aren't being met, then what if this was something I could purchase off the shelf?
Who else's needs would this serve?
And then who else's needs? It was just, it's just a massive pool of customers all around the globe that are in the exact same position that I was in at Simple Surgical. And quickly, and I had like 25 years experience, and I had personal relationships with a lot of the guys that provided the balloons, but they still told me no.
Right.
So that's where I was like, okay, there's got to be an opportunity for us to create something that's a little more friendly as it relates to that initial point of sale and that first article for prototyping. Even if you get the first 2 wrong, it's not a huge investment. You can move on to the next and get through the prototyping phase as quickly as possible. So the thought never crossed my mind that this wasn't something I wanted to do. I mean, it was different, it was new, it was creative, it involved, point and click purchasing.
Right.
And it gave us the ability to focus on that small group of customers we had, but then grow this massive infrastructure of off-the-shelf balloons. So it was, we were so perfectly aligned with what you guys thought you could do with Chamfr, and then how I thought we could grow Poba, just by focusing on that off-the-shelf component. And obviously it's proven to be just a fantastic lead generation tool that really has no equal. Having a paying customer that has a specific need that involves your product, that's lead generation. And then how we take that lead to the next level is really how we continue to, together figure out how to continue to be better and continually challenge what the specific consumer needs from the site and from Poba.